When the nozzle is blocked, we can put it in our software. Then press the space bar. Select one of the nozzles below us to get through. We chose him. Then press the confirm button. And then this side will operate. There's a lot of traffic here. Because there's no ink coming off this side of the nozzle, we can use a cleaning part. Squirt some cleaning fluid on this side of the nozzle. Spray it with some detergent. That means he's stuck in a lot of traffic. It's getting a little ink down now. Look at the ink. Black ink is coming down, but he's not alright. Let's keep getting through. Continue to get through. We can see this ink line goes into our recycling tank. The ink line got into our recycling tank. That means the nozzle is open at this point. We can stop the line. After a good look, and then we clean it down here. And then we clean this up. Then we open the ink line again. There's a line of ink opening here. Second open, then press OK. If it doesn't come out, that means our ink line is still blocked. If it's still blocked, we'll keep the nozzle open. Continue to select the nozzle through. Let it get through first. If it still doesn't work after a while, then we take the solvent of choice and inhale it. This solvent inhalation can only be confirmed. This time we took our cleaning part. Spray cleaning agent into the nozzle. At this point, he's sucking it in. The spout must be facing the middle of the nozzle. And then we all clean up the ink line. You'll hear a clatter, which means our ink line is already in this recycling tank. It's already set. We see this ink line has gone into the recycling tank.